Hi everyone, so right now we're going for a walk, and you might be wondering, why is the lesson starting right here? And that's actually a great question. So basically the reason why we're starting the lesson in the outdoors on this phone is because we want to ensure that your website is mobile optimized. And so with that being said, let's get a look at what makes the anatomy of a good website. First, we're going to be starting with Apple. So as you can see on the home page, there is the MacBook Air 15 inches. And so with that being said, there's some really good branding on there, being very product oriented and focusing on products that sell really well. And so basically with Apple, it's really important to consider that e-com is very important to them. E-com is really high in demand, as well as their flagship stores. So having a really good website is important, and you want to make sure when you have your website for yourself or for your partner that it is very mobile optimized as well. So let's move forward. So as we examine the Apple website, we can see that there's a variety of products that are very notable to Apple. We have like the iPhone Pro, the iPhone 14, as well as other products too that are very profitable to them. More content, as well as some subtitles for additional information about the brand. And so if we go to the top right hand corner and we select the two hyphens, we're going to get a menu. This menu provides info about the store as well as their signature products. So that's very useful. So let's say we want to check out the store. We also get prompted to the products that they have, the latest, as well as the Mac, iPad, iPhone, Apple Watch, and accessories. So this is very good so far as the layout. And so it's loading decently well, which is great. So if we wanted to test a website to make sure it's performing very well and it's mobile optimized, I'm going to show you a really good tool that allows you to do so. So let's first grab the web link. Then we're going to export that to PageSpeed Insights. As you can see here, it's already been done, and we can view how the website's performing via mobile as well as desktop. So as we scroll down, we get a number of different metrics on how the website's performing. Excuse me, that's a plane overhead. But we have the final performance of 47 out of 100. So that can definitely be improved upon. And with that being said, there's a number of units that are being shown on the back end, off-screen images, next-gen formats. We're using the unused JavaScript, which can be fixed on the back end. So that would be good for you to know when you're developing your UX as well as UI, that you gotta just make sure that things are performing really well on the back end. Accessibility is 99 out of 100, which is good. Best practices, 100 out of 100. And SEO, which is really important, which you really want to have for your brand to succeed, has a 90 out of 100. Apple is really good at marketing, so that's great. So now let's look at the desktop version. So as we scroll up, we're going to see a number of metrics again. And then we have a score of 79 out of 100. Now, this could definitely be improved upon as well. Desktop is important, but you really want to make sure that your website is optimized all across the board from mobile to desktop to ensure that it's functioning really well and that your customers are having a really good ease of use experience. So we have 79 out of 100 for the performance. The following metrics that could be improved: accessibility is doing well as well. And then best practices has a score of 100 out of 100. SEO is 1 unit higher than the mobile version, which with a score of 91 out of 100, which is pretty good. And that is what we have for mobile and desktop for Apple. I hope that lesson was very helpful to you. I hope you learned a lot. And if you have any questions, you can call or text or email me. Have a great day. Bye-bye.